morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
As you've probably gathered, we've all just woke up, so everyone's looking for breakfast.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Alright, I've just done my yoga.
What you do?
That was a 15-minute stretch.
There's an ABCD
And
song. Mummy,
I'm just gonna go
you
and
have
have
your
breakfast now.
ABCD song on your phone.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
You can play racing.
What are you doing?
We're making a bunny racer. Like bunny racer. So I'm going to film us. We're just making the car now because the eggs have to dry.
Okay, so they need to dry overnight.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
if they don't dry properly, then it might not work. So
And Chloe, what are you doing?
I'm just.
You're just putting the stickers.
And then we're gonna peel them off. I kind of find that a bit easier. So now you get the little white tabs and peel them off carefully, so that you don't peel off the. Not properly. But don't peel it. The but
So what is it gonna look like once it's finished?
it's gonna look like it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like that.
Ooh,
Hopefully it will look like that.
very nice.
That's what we're trying to make at the moment.
Okay. Well done. Alright, YouTube friends, today is another day. Haven't done much today. We've done some dancing, playing, I did a bit of cleaning, and I didn't show you what I've done outside. I cleaned my garden, I cleaned the patio, I washed it with my mom and the little children over there, Carmen and Chloe. They did help me, and then cleaned,
Can I see?
also swept the grass, so it's looking really good. Right, I'm just gonna show you, and then we also did a little gardening, so I'm just gonna walk you through what it looks like outside. That's what it looks like, and that's what we've been up to. So learning how to use TikTok, learning how to do Instagram more, learning how to YouTube, and learning to be messy with the kids. Look at them.
Hello! You're living on the moon now. You're living on the moon.
Yeah.
That's my dad.
Good morning, YouTube. I hope you're well this morning. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing, really. Not much. I'm at home today. Just got up, did my normal fitness routine at home, made my bed. Now I've come down to the kitchen to have some breakfast. I want to do a smoothie, and then I have a bowl of porridge. So come with me. I put this away. This is an empty container. Can you bring a bowl of cereal, Chloe? Or what are you having?
I'm having
You want to have cereals?
that one.
You want to have cereals?
That one.
Okay. Right. This is the little breakfast corner for the kids when they want to have cereals. So Chloe here is going to help herself. Grab a bowl in the cupboard. And then help herself. I'm just going to simply help her. That's it. Well done. I think that's it. That's it. Don't put too much, otherwise you might not finish. That's a bit much.
It's not too much.
It's not too much. Okay. Do you want to put the placemat on the table? Right, hello. What have I done so far? I've been off camera, and off camera I had breakfast in the morning. I had a shower. I haven't done much. I went out shopping, came back.
My snack. Can I eat my snack?
No, not now, not now. It's too early, Chloe. So right now I am going to I'm going to tidy that thing over there, but you can see that the library is all a mess. I've been meaning to do it for a very long time, but today is the day that I'm gonna do that, and then all of this area is gonna be all tidied up. It's gonna be our working area because we are gonna study from home, and we want a place that when we come up we dress up and as if we were going to work or going to school. So we need like a proper setting area, and this is going to be transformed into that place. Right, I'm not gonna talk too much, and I'm gonna start working. Hi, good morning YouTube friends. Hope you're okay. My battery actually died yesterday when I was trying to film tidying up the little library play area. I did in the meantime clean the carpet. I cleaned the carpet last night as well, so if you see behind me, you see that everything is kind of blank canvas. I've moved everything. I've moved the furniture around so that I can clean. If you follow me around, you will see it's the same everywhere. Yeah, so it's been mainly just the downstairs, so excuse the untidiness, but that is how it is looking like. If you can see, this is the area that I showed you yesterday. Compared to what it was when I first showed you, it looks pretty much tidy. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with the results. So yes, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do our
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.